friend, welcome back to my channel. My name is Nicole. If you're new to this channel, I'm so glad that you found it. Be sure to give this video a big thumbs up and hit that subscribe button so you're the first to see my videos when they come out. Today, I thought it'd be fun if I showed you how to make a smoothie bowl with no banana. Usually when I make my acai bowls or smoothie bowls, I always use frozen bananas because that's what gives it that really thick and creamy texture. But I realized that a lot of people don't like bananas, or maybe you're allergic to bananas. And so today I'm gonna show you how to make a smoothie bowl that's just as thick and just as delicious, but with no bananas. Before I do that, comment below what your favorite smoothie bowl is so far, or maybe some ingredients that you want to see me use in my next smoothie bowl. Okay, let's go. Alrighty, I've got all my ingredients here. This is the easiest recipe ever. It's 1 part mango, strawberries, and pineapple. I'm gonna do a cup of each. Gonna put all of them into my blender. Doesn't really matter what order. I would start with the mangoes because they're probably the softest. And then for my liquid, I think I'm gonna do some lemonade. If I can get the cap off. There we go. Just do a little bit. Remember, with the liquid, you can always add more later, but you can't take liquid out. So just start with a little bit and then add more if you need it. That's gonna help your smoothie bowl be really thick. Now I'm gonna add some protein powder. You can totally skip this step if you want to, but I always like adding some protein into my smoothie so it's not just a ton of carbs and sugar, but I get that protein that will keep me full for a long time. I'm just gonna dump that in on the top, and we are ready to blend. If you want tips on how to use your blender and how to get that really thick consistency for smoothie bowls, I will link the tutorial I did up here. I don't know which side it's gonna be on, but I did one on how to use the Vitamix and what the settings are to get it nice and thick. Here we go. Oh, this looks amazing. It's such a pretty pink too. Oh my gosh, so thick. This turned out great. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you. Another ingredient you can add to your smoothie bowls that will make it super thick is coconut cream. You can put it in an ice cube tray and freeze it, or you can just add the coconut cream to your smoothie, but when you freeze it, that will help it be extra thick but also creamy if you don't want to use bananas. If this video helped you, give it a thumbs up. If it didn't, give it a thumbs up too. And don't forget to subscribe. Thank you so much for watching. We'll see you next week. Bye.